Let me see. I don't even know. Where's my watch? They're pulling that other one off.
Hold on.
It's the 31st. See, I can't see it from here. 12:45 p.m. Now let's see. There we go. Oh boy.
Pull it.
Boom. All right.
Is that the last one?
No hay más ahí.
Oh, we eat first, then we
They're all okay.
Cotorro. Pájaro.
Pájaro.
Huh?
You got the. Okay, here we go. Tri-state. Hold on, so I can get the whole. Tile and Beth.
And landscaping.
And everything else. 201-568-9787.
Mama. Recommends. What's that?
So these are the ones that landed on the roof.
We gotta cut these.
There was three. The other guy. Carlos, se llama. Carlos took the other one over there. And Rodolfo's over here. They gotta cut these up. But you guys gonna eat first, no?
Yes.
Van a comer primero.
Carlos, we cut these.
Puedes entrar por ahí. Sí, la pizza está ahí.
Tengo mojado los zapatos.
No importa. ¿Qué se va a hacer? ¿O quiere comer afuera?
Claro.
Dice Glenn, ¿sí? ¿Afuera? O adentro, a mí no me importa, como quieras.
Afuera no está frío, man.
No, hoy está bueno. Está muy bueno afuera hoy.
Good, good.
Yeah, no, hay un hueco. Just told me that the gutter has a hole in it. It's broken. Oh, that's okay. It's got to be replaced anyway. And I think I got it on tape yesterday. That one piece of, just like the one that was on the chair. That went through the chair, one went through the gutter. Oh, that's it. Yo, you know what? Let me, there we go. How many minutes is this? Oh, 3 already. Let's see, for now, Glenn got up early this morning, came with his guys, and started to cut everything and take it out. And here we go. Oh, I gotta watch the license plates. Oh no. There we go. Oh, look at this. Alright. And this side. There we go. I think those look familiar. But look at the oh, this branch got cut and a few other branches got cut. Cut them off. Oh man, look at this. Oh. And we still don't have electricity. So, we got 3 piles though. Whoops. There's the 3rd pile. There's the 3rd pile.
That's actually not
Wow, look at that. And there's a branch hanging How you doing? And I can't see it now. Somewhere around there there's a branch hanging.